Hello and what is up mga Ekagenie? Well guys, it's a new day at panibagong araw na naman for adventure. Well, kung napapansin ninyo ay nagdadub lang tayo sapagkat nagkaproblema ang audio ng clip na to. But anyways, for this adventure, tayo ay tutungo sa Barangay Tinaplakan upang silipin ang Tarangban, Bangon at Larik Falls ng Calbayog City. Well, tama ng satsat, tara't samahan nyo kami sa aming biyahe.
On a dusty road I'm driving through, with a heart that's missing you. Long nights with the moon as my guide, around every bend your memory never hides. Through the miles I keep holding on, every turn brings me closer to home. With your love shining like a distant star, I'm bound to find where you are. Valleys and rivers, I cross them all. Through storms and rain, I'll never fall. I hear your voice in the whispering wind. Soon we'll be together where our love begins. Through the miles I keep holding on, every turn brings me closer to home. With your love shining like a distant star, I'm bound to find where you are. Though the distance keeps us apart for now, I know you're there with love somehow. It won't be long till I reach your side, in your arms where my heart will reside. Oh, through the miles I keep holding on. Closer to home, closer to home. With your love shining like a distant star, I'm bound to find where you are. I'm bound to find where you are.
So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Bangon, Tarangban. And yung unang pupuntahan natin, syempre, yung pinakamalayo. Pupunta muna tayo sa Tarangban Falls. And it will take several, siguro mga 40 minutes to 1 hour na paglalakad. Depende syempre sa pacing natin. Halos 1 kilometro rin yung linalakad natin na puro akyat baba. Well, talagang pagpapawisan ka, lalo sa mga paakyat. Pero nakaka-relax naman sapagkat tayo ay pinalilibutan ng mga halaman. And look at our view, guys. So, wow. So guys, May asang sumama sa atin. Hello! Chuchoy! Here! Wow! Ito yung guide natin guys. So. Naririnig na natin ngayon guys ang ragasa ng tubig. At medyo malapit na tayo sa falls. Indikasyon to sapagkat heto na yung ilog. And guys, heto na tayo sa Tarangban Falls. And just take a look at this view. Napakaangas talaga naman, oh. Grabe. Wow. Sobrang ganda.
Picture kita nan.
Wow. Tapos, tayo lang ang tao dito ngayon, guys. Meron ditong view deck. And just take a look at this view. Heto guys, naka-set up na sana tayo. Tapos naghanap rin tayo ng malilim na spot kung saan tayo kakain. Kaya lang yung mga kasama natin, sila yung nagdala ng ulam. Heto si Raven, oh.
Oy, diri ako.
Tapos si Unil. Anong nangyari, Raven?
Nabilin sa U-Box. Naiwan sa U-Box ng aking motor.
So naiwan sa U-Box yung ulam natin. So kaya ngayon guys,
kakain tayo ng kanin.
yung dala lang natin, kanin, no? Dapat sala iniwan na lang natin pati yung kanin. So yung gagawin na lang natin, maliligo lang tayo. We're gonna take few shots. Mag-i-enjoy pa rin tayo dito sa Tarangban. We're gonna take our time here. And of course, pagbaba natin, saka tayo kakain. Siguradong gutom na gutom tayo mamaya.
Woke up feeling lost again, chasing dreams, but where have they been? The world keeps turning, I'm standing still, searching for purpose, chasing the thrill. I don't mind, days go by but I'm just fine. Falling down but I rise, a little broken, still alive. Life goes on, yeah, life goes on, even when everything feels wrong. The world spins round, I try to hold on, but in the end, life goes on. Lost again, chasing dreams, but where have they been? The world keeps turning, I'm standing still, searching for purpose, chasing the thrill. I don't mind, days go by but I'm just fine. Falling down but I rise, a little broken, still alive. Life goes on, yeah, life goes on, even when everything feels wrong. The world spins round, I try to hold on, but in the end, life goes on. Life goes on, yeah, life goes on, even when everything feels wrong. The world spins round, I try to hold on, but in the end, life goes on. My life goes on, and I stay strong. Even when everything feels wrong, the world spins round, I try to hold on, but in the end, life goes on. Life goes on, yeah, life goes on, even when everything feels wrong. The world spins round, I try to hold on, but in the end, life goes on.
Grabe guys, sobrang ganda Napakaangas talaga ng Tarangban Falls. Woo! And take a look at it. Nalid ako, Pia. Nakadamo, Kam? Wow, kasili. Di na line, yan na line yun? Look at this, guys. So guys, nanggaling pa lang tayo sa Tarangban. Actually, nasa likod natin, oh. Ngayon naman, tayo ay bababa patungo sa Bangon Falls. At doon na rin tayo magla-lunch, guys. Heto na naman ang nakakahapo at nakakapagod na lakbayin. Pero pag pabalik, guys, hindi na siya ganoon kahirap sapagkat konti na yung pataas. Majority ng gagawin natin ay puro pababa na. Guys, look at this mountain. Talagang very fascinating yung view dito. Habang binabagtas natin ang daan, we have that beautiful view. Grabe. Talagang napakaangas mo, Kalbayog. So guys, kabababa lang natin galing sa Tarangban. At ngayon, bumili muna sila Cholo ng soft drinks. Tapos heto tayo. Nandun pa yung Bangon Falls. Yan yung babagtasin natin mamaya. Dire-diretso pa doon. And maganda yung araw ngayon. Medyo mainit nga lang, pero napakarami namang lilim at presko yung hangin. So, ngunit napapansin rin natin sa bandang unahan ng Bangon, yun o, medyo kumukulimlim. So, mukhang nagbabadya ang ulan. Well, that's something that we need to deal. But still, maganda pa rin, napakabuti pa rin ang ating kalagayan ngayon. We're just gonna enjoy. Talagang nakakatuwa yung experience na masilip ulit ang Tarangban Falls. Talagang hindi kumukupas yung ganda, para talaga tayong nasa langit whenever we look at the Tarangban. So dito lang yan, guys, sa Calbayog City. If you wanted to visit Calbayog, tara na. Unang isasuggest ko, i-recommend ko sa inyo na bisitahin nyo ay ang Tarangban Falls. So guys, eto na tayo. Binabagtas na natin ang daan patungong Bangon. Guys, mula dito, kitang-kita na natin ang Bangon Falls. Kaya lang, kung mapapansin natin, sa likod ng kabundukang yon, may namumuong ulap. So medyo delikado kapag ganyan, sapagkat umuulan ngayon doon. Tapos yung tubig, yung ragasa papunta dito. So, kailangan pa rin ang safety at security natin. Yan, napakaganda ng Bangon Falls. Napakaangas. So guys, medyo maingat dapat kung trip nyo talagang akyatin yan. Dapat i-ensure ninyo na walang namumuong ulan sa bundok. Kasi kapag merong ulan, talagang napakadelikado sapagkat humaaragasa yung tubig, tapos baka imbes na mag-enjoy kayo, kapahamak ninyo. So tayo guys, dito lang muna tayo. Syempre kahit ini-enjoy natin yung kalikasan, safety is our top priority. Yeah.
Dear God, I'm writing this letter to you, to express the gratitude that's overdue, for every sunrise and the stars above, for the gift of life and your endless love. You've blessed me with family so dear, friends who lift me up, always near, and second chances, grace unearned. Your mercy, Lord, is what I've learned. Oh, this love letter to God, I send it high, for blessings abundant, I can't deny. In every heartbeat, in every prayer, your presence, God, is always there. Through trials and triumphs, you remain, guiding me through joy and pain. For every laugh and every tear, your faithfulness has brought me here. With gratitude my heart is full, for every blessing big and small, for family, friends and second chances. In your love my soul dances. Oh, this love letter to God, I send it high, blessings abundant, I can't deny. In every heartbeat, in every prayer, your presence, God, is always there. Through stormy seas and calmest nights, you've been my rock and my guiding light. For your mercy that's new each day, I'll forever sing your praise. Oh, this love letter to God, I send it high, for blessings abundant, I can't deny. In every heartbeat, in every prayer, your presence, God, is always there. Dear God, with every breath I take, in every moment, awake or asleep, I'll cherish your love, forever keep. This love letter to you, my heart's reply. Dear God, with every breath I take, in every moment, awake or asleep, I'll cherish your love, forever keep. This love letter to you, my heart's reply.
Okay lang eh.
Okay na sir, naka-play.
So guys, may pasyente agad tayo. Biglang nag-muscle cramp si Neil eh.
Uy. Nel, okay ka lang, Nel? Diri. Nel, sakit.
So kailangan, normal talaga to guys, sapagkat si Neil kanina nag-aaral na matutong lumangoy. Tapos, syempre grabe yung pagpadyak niya. Kaya ito. Bubuhian ko ha. Ito, okay na? Alright? Kaya? Nice. Sige.
Kamadlok sini mag-camp so kuan diretso igda.
Samot kasi.
Grabe guys. Bigla siyang sumigaw tapos bigla na lang humiga. Well, normal yon sapagkat umakyat tayo ng Tarangban. Tapos nag-aral siyang lumangoy. Buti na lang nag-cramp siya, hindi sa tubig. Kasi kapag sa tubig talaga, yun yung napakadelikado. So buti na lang at alam natin yung gagawin natin. Kapag may mga emergency, number one thing na dapat nating gawin ay dapat kalmado, Kampante tayo. At dahil dyan, naging content natin si Unil. Okay ka na, Nil?
Medyo.
Okay na. Okay na siya.
Dalawang taluna ang ating nasaksihan. Medyo pagod na rin ang katawan sa akyat, lamoy at lakbay sa inang kalikasan. Ngunit bumubulong ang hanging amihan na silipin ang kinukubling ganda ng Larik Falls. Kahit pagod na at may pag-aalinlangan, mas nanaig ang diwa ng pakikipagsapalaran, kaya tayo ay muling sumuong sa landas na walang kasiguraduhan.
Muntot ako lang. So guys, dahan-dahan tayo sapagkat may gusto ng daanan papuntang Larik. Pababa tayo.
So guys, kapag masiraan kayo, contact Raven de los Reyes. Mano-manong nagpapahangin ng kanyang motor.
Asan na yung pagay mo?
Ben. Wow.
Buligan ko.
So guys, dadalhin tayo ni Cholo sa dagat dito sa kanilang barangay. Hi vlog. So guys, para makapunta sa dagat ay dadaan tayo sa hanging bridge. Ito ang hanging bridge.
Kita ba na undang tapos nakiwalag ko.
So napakaganda dito guys sa kanilang lugar sapagkat meron ditong hapag ng barangay. So may mga gulay-gulay dito nakapalibot. And right now guys, tingnan nyo naman yung dadaanan natin. Mga coconut nuts.
If I ever slipped away, lights go dark, no words to say. Pulled from this skin like breath on glass, you'd still be the thing I circle back. Not 'cause the stars don't shine up there, but you're the place I feel most bare. Heaven may be velvet skies, but you're fire behind my eyes. I'd walk through heat, through memory's flame, even if the sky forgot my name. No map, no path, I'd still believe you're the one I couldn't leave. If I had to go for glory, not for grace, just for the echo of your face. This love, this laugh, this sweet old ache, you are the heaven I would remake. So